Welcome to lesson number 10 on my course called How to Become a Geometry Dash Professional. Today we would beat level called Let's Run. It would be first level with normal difficulty that we would beat on my course. Let's start. At the beginning you should click one time at this red thing. Then you click 2 times in the spider part and you buffer these 2 orbs. Then you wait, and in the second spider part you click 1 time. Then there's this very long auto section. You don't have to click here, all the way to the ship part. Then we have this ship part. It's a little bit harder, but there are still a few easy inputs, with the slopes that help you not to crash. Then we have an auto section with a text. Then we transition to the spider. In this part we have to do 5 clicks to be exact, as you can see here. Then we wait all the way to the last game mode of the level, Wave. And here it is. We have to maneuver through this pretty wide corridor and not to touch these saw blades. And that's it. It's the end of the level. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. Assignment before the next lesson is to beat this level called Let's Run with a normal difficulty. Good luck beating the level and see you on the next lesson. Goodbye!